Hello everyone, my name is Roklik Ranashok. I am from Amannagar. We have discussed about our today's topic is what is linked list in Java. So linked list in Java are including in collection in Java. So we have discussed about the linked list in Java before we are going to the array list. So what is the array list? So array list is a advanced function, advanced of array because of we can use the array list. We can use the array list. Suppose we are creating the array list array some specific elements. So but we can add and remove from easily by using the array list in Java. So we have discussed about the linked list. So linked list are we can use the implement by using the doubly linked list and singly linked list, single linked list. So we can use the doubly linked list. It means we can add and remove elements from both ends. So we can mostly using doubly linked list or implementing to linked list. So there are some importance points regarding to linked list. First of all, linked list it can be contains the duplicate elements and it's maintain the insertion order. It is non-synchronized, so its manipulation is fast as compared to the its manipulation is fast as compared to the array list because of no shifting required, because of we are adding and removing the elements by easily by using the linked list. So linked list is the most usable to adding and manipulating elements, easily adding elements and removing elements by using the linked list. So as compared to array list is the reversed we can use the adding and removing elements. So it is mostly important and capable for the adding the removing the element by using the linked list. So linked list are we can use the linked list in various types of constructor. Empty constructors we can return the we can use the linked list and return the constructor, return the list. And the next is the linked list constructor and iterate the inheritance, iterate to method, iterate to iterate to extract sequential implements. And it is used to construct a list containing, it's used to list containing elements and specific characters, specific collection. So they are written the collection iterator. So we can use the various types of methods are including in Java linked list. So we have discussed about one by one. First of all, boolean add. Boolean add method it is append the specific element to end the list. The next is the void add elements int index. So we can insert the specific index and specific position index in list. And the next is a void add methods. So add is it is used to insert the given elements from the beginning of the list. Add list end we can use the append the given elements at the end of the list. Void clear, so it is used to remove the elements, all the elements from the list. And the next is object clone. So it is used to clone, it means we can shadow or copy of the objects in a specific list. So it can use the object clone methods. And the next is a boolean contains. So boolean contains it means we can, it is used to return the true if list contain the specific elements. And the next is a element get. So it is used to return the elements at the specific position in the list. We get first, it is used to return the first element of the list. It index object, it is used to return the index of it is used to return the index of the occurrence of specific elements. The next is a boolean offer, it is adds to specific elements and the last element of the list. Retrieve the first element of the list. Pick first, it retrieves the first element of the list and returns the null if list is empty. And pick last, it retrieves the last element of the list and returns the null of the list is empty. If all, it retrieves the remove of the first element of the list. Next is the pull first, it retrieves the removes and first element of list, it returns null of the list is empty. The next is a element pop, so it's pop the elements from the stack represented by the list. And the remove methods, it is used to retrieve the element when specific your list, and we can remove the element in your specific list we can usually by using the remove method. And next is a remove first, element remove first method, it removes the return first element of the list. And the next is a set index, so it replaces the element of a specific position of the list with specified elements. So next is a set in object to array, it is used to return an array containing all the elements in the list in proper sequence. And then to array, it return the array containing all the elements in the all the elements to proper sequence from the first to last elements. And then runtime type the return array is that the specific array. int size, so it is used to return the number of elements in the list. So it sums there are most important methods are including in linked list. We are using them. So uh, next is a we can use the pick to boolean offer, so it's add the specific elements at the last element of the list. Next is a boolean add all. It is used to append the all elements are adding specified collection at the end of the list in order that the to return the specific collection iterator. So it's most commonly methods are using in linked list. So it's all about the linked list in Java and including collection. Thank you so much.